All right, so in this question, we're looking at a school that has 46% of students are boys, okay? If there are 152 less boys than girls, okay, find the total number of students in the school. So just remember here, you've got 46% of students, okay, are boys. So that means that you have girls equal to 54%, okay? And here, there are 152 less than what the girls are, okay? So we want to know the total number, okay, once we find this number out, okay? Have a go. Good luck.
Okay, so for the first thing we need to do for this question is we actually need to work out the percentage of girls. So we've been told that 46% of the students are boys. We need to work out the percentage for girls. So I'm going to say that the percentage of girls is G. Okay, so we're going to do 100 take away 46, and that's going to give us 54%. Okay, so therefore girls are 54%, okay? So we know that there's 46% are boys, 54% are girls. Now this piece of the puzzle down here gives us some information that we need to use in order to solve this problem. So we're told that there's 152 less boys than there are girls. So what we need to do is we actually need to work out the difference between 54% and 46%. So the difference between 54 and 46 is 8, okay? So there's 8% difference. Now that 8% difference is the 152 students, okay? So there's 152 less boys than girls, okay? And that's 8% of the total amount of students that there are in this particular school. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use those two pieces of the puzzle in order to set up an equation, and then we're going to solve that equation to find out the total number of students, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to set up our equation. So we know that 152 out of the total number of students, so I'm going to write T for total there, multiplied by 100 is equal to 8%, okay? So 152 students out of the total amount is equal to 8%. That's what we've just worked out here. Now we need to use our algebra skills in order to solve this equation, okay? Follow along step by step. The first thing we need to do is get rid of this multiply by 100. In order to do that, we need to do the reverse. So the opposite operation for multiply is divide. So we're going to divide this side by 100 and this side by 100. So we're left with 152 divided by T equals 8 divided by 100, which is 0.08. Okay, now like what I talked about in a few of our previous videos, we've got a little sneaky trick we can use here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap the T for the 0.08. Okay, so I'm going to swap those. So it's going to become 152 divided by 0.08 equals T. So all I've done there is I've swapped those two. So now what I'll get you to do is use your calculator, okay, to calculate 152 divided by 0.08, and you'll come to an answer of 1,900 students. Okay. So by solving this particular equation, we've come to the conclusion that there are 1,900 students at this particular school.